How to manage the active status on LinkedIn. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage your active status on LinkedIn easy and fast. All what you have to do, go to linkedin.com and log into your account, and now go here to the top and click on your profile. After you click on your profile, go to settings and privacy. Now right here you will find many options. All what you have to choose is go to visibility. Right here, click on it and you will find many options right here. Now you need to go down until you find the manage active status option. Click on it and now you can choose whatever you want here as you want. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much.